Glad that you're here, Matt. Najat says, what's your advice for me as a manifesting generator before traveling? When you travel, and when you, let's say you go sightseeing, don't get caught up in things too long. If you go and see something and like you don't feel like it's passionate anymore, don't stick around in a place any minute longer than you feel passionate at the place. So when you travel, I'm guessing you're gonna go sightseeing. I'm guessing you're gonna go shopping in certain places. Like I'm just gonna go by things that people do usually when they go to new places, when they go to travel. So it's like checking out new sites, checking out new places to eat, shopping, seeing old friends, maybe seeing new friends. Don't get stuck. Like, don't be afraid to pull a 180 at any moment and drop whatever you're doing, whatever you're eating, whatever restaurant doesn't feel good, whatever shopping place doesn't feel like. Just don't. Like, manifesting generators can go from 0 to 100 and then go back to 0, no problem. Like, it's very easy to start something new, put a lot of energy into it if it resonates with your sacral. If your sacral says, yeah, Najat, let's go do it for 10 hours today or whatever. And if after 2 hours it's dead, just drop it. Just drop the mic, turn around and go do something else. So don't get caught up in places if your sacral, if your inner child or your arousal or your, like, whatever you call your response as a generator. Then another thing would be, yeah, so you can try a lot of things. So don't get caught up in not being able to say no to something that you are already doing. I'm not saying put up boundaries. I'm saying, like, if you go into something, don't be afraid to drop it at any time and pursue something else that maybe pulls you to some other place. Another thing is just try a lot of things and respond from your sacral. So put a plate, like if you want to choose food, go into the restaurant and look at what people are eating so you can get close enough to get a response from the body. So try to putting your body first in a situation, in a place, and then deciding whether it's for you or isn't it for you. As a generator, you need to respond or not respond from the body. So your body's gonna be either, I want more of this, this really excites me, let's go do more of this for another 10 hours or 2 hours or whatever. Or your body's just gonna be like nothing, like no response from the body. So try many things. And then if you get stuck in any place, in any situation, and you start feeling frustrated that you made the wrong choice, don't speak about it. Just move away, like change something. So if at any point you feel that you made the decision from a different place other than the sacral, so you made your decision from your mind, somebody put you up to this, somebody made you, okay, so you're stuck in this restaurant and 20 minutes ago you had the impulse to leave, but you didn't leave, and now you're frustrated, you feel like, oh, what the fuck is this place, I want to go. Don't talk about it. Just do something to change the situation, because if you talk about it, you're gonna create frustration for everyone around you, because that's what manifesting generators do. You generate energy, whether it's passion or frustration, and then if you talk about it, you spread that around like wildfire. So that talking is not gonna help anything. You're still gonna be sitting in the same restaurant, you're just gonna make it worse for everyone around you and for yourself. So just do the action necessary. Pull out, do a 180 and get the fuck out of there.